Space is an endless mystery that has been luring humanity for centuries. In this video, we will embark on a fascinating journey through the history of space exploration, starting with the first steps of humanity and ending with modern space achievements. But who founded the cosmos? Who was the first person to know that there was another life? About all this and more in this video. Ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greek philosophers, and Sumerians tried to understand the world around them by observing celestial bodies. They created myths and theories explaining the movement of planets and stars. For example, Ptolemy developed his geocentric model, where the Earth was at the center of the universe. Ptolemy is a name that can refer to several historical figures, the most famous of which are Claudius Ptolemy circa 100-170 AD, and the Ptolemies, a dynasty of rulers of Egypt founded after the conquests of Alexander the Great. Astronomy. Ptolemy is best known for his work Almagest, or the Great Work, in which he formulated a geocentric model of the solar system, according to which the Earth is located in the center, and the rest of the planets and the Sun revolve around it. This doctrine remained predominant in Western astronomy for more than 1,400 years. Geography. In his work Geography, Ptolemy collected and systematized knowledge about the Earth, presenting maps with coordinates of localities. He introduced the concept of latitude and longitude, which became the basis for the further development of cartography. Optics. He also made contributions in this area, working on the properties of light rays and their behavior. Ptolemy, as a scientist, and the Ptolemaic dynasty made significant contributions to the development of science, culture, and politics of their time. Ptolemy's research in astronomy and geography remains fundamental for further study of these fields, and the Ptolemaic dynasty left behind a rich historical legacy. Ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greek philosophers, and Sumerians tried to understand the world around them by observing celestial bodies. They created myths and theories explaining the movement of planets and stars. For example, Ptolemy developed his geocentric model, where the Earth was at the center of the universe. The geocentric model is an astronomical concept in which the Earth is considered the center of the universe, and all celestial bodies, including the Sun, Moon, and planets, revolve around it. This model was widespread in antiquity and the Middle Ages and is best known for the work of scholars such as Claudius Ptolemy. In the geocentric model, the Earth is located in the center, and celestial bodies rotate around it in circular orbits. The plane of rotation of celestial bodies is assumed to be spherical. Celestial bodies have different speeds in order of motion, which has led to the emergence of complex schemes with apophyses and difference to explain their observed motion. The geocentric model was the main teaching until, at the beginning of the 16th century, Nicolaus Copernicus proposed a heliocentric model in which the Sun is located in the center of the solar system, and the Earth and other planets revolve around it. The heliocentric model eventually replaced the geocentric model and became the basis for the modern understanding of astronomy. With the advent of the Renaissance, when science and art began to develop, Nicolaus Copernicus proposed a heliocentric model. Later, Galileo Galilei improved the telescope and proved that the sky is not as unchanging as it was thought. These discoveries marked the beginning of a scientific revolution that changed our perception of space. The real breakthrough occurred in the 20th century, when in 1957 the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite of the Earth, Sputnik 1. This event was the beginning of the space race. An impressive step immediately followed, the first human spaceflight, performed by Yuri Gagarin in April 1961. He has become a symbol of a new era. During the moon race, a significant moment took place in 1969, when astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first man to set foot on the moon. It is a small step for a human, but a huge leap for all of humanity. Since then, humanity has continued to explore space, and in 1998 the International Space Station was launched. a joint project of many countries, representing a unique laboratory in orbit. More recently, in the 21st century, important missions have been carried out to other planets, such as Mars. Curiosity rover and other spacecraft are exploring our neighboring planet in the hope of finding traces of life. In addition, Voyager, a space probe launched in 1977, is leaving our solar system, carrying with it messages from humanity. The most popular question of our time is, when will a man end up on Mars? The human journey to Mars is one of the most ambitious and discussed topics in modern space exploration. It includes many aspects, from technical to ethical, and involves solving a number of complex tasks. Let us look at the key points related to this topic. Scientific research. Mars is a neighboring planet with Earth and has conditions that can provide valuable information about the formation and development of planets. Studying Mars will help us understand whether it is possible for life to exist on other planets and how planets evolve. Resource exploitation. Mars may contain minerals and water in the form of ice, which is important for future colonies. Colonization. In the long term, humans may consider colonizing Mars as a way to ensure humanity's survival in the event of global catastrophes on Earth. A human journey to Mars is a complex and multifaceted task that requires significant resources, technology, and time. Nevertheless, every year the realization of this dream becomes more and more real thanks to the achievements of science and engineering. This could be the next significant step in human history, opening up new horizons for space exploration. Incredible opportunities await us in the future: colonization of the Moon and Mars, deep space exploration, and the opportunity to reach a new level of technology. SpaceX, NASA, and other organizations are working on projects that can make visiting other planets a reality. Dear friends, enjoy the moment of endless silence. Watch this video to the end and like it.